Goose Creek, South Carolina. Big time storm. Big time storm. Severe thunderstorm, Goose Creek, with strong squall line. Big time storm. Unbelievable. It's got to be 40 to 50 mile an hour winds right now. The storm's just getting worse. I can't stick around on here too long, but whew, that wind is blowing in. But this is the scene, Goose Creek, South Carolina. It is 7:30. We are getting. This is severe thunderstorm criteria right now. Unbelievable. I mean, this is a hell of a storm. Huge complex developed, just huge. Wow. Goodness gracious. Goodness. And the door's going to shut, which I'm going to let it shut in a minute. I'm going to get off this. Just giving you a look at what it looks like out here right now. "50 to 60 mile an hour winds, and yeah. All right, door's going to close, and I'm going to get back to work.